Hi, I'm Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to single crochet for lefties. And we're going to start by making a chain, as many as you like. I think I'm going to work about 10. So to make this chain, you are going to start by yarning over and pulling that loop of yarn through the loop that's already on your hook. Just repeat this over and over until you get your desired length. Now straighten out your chain and you're going to work into the second loop or the spine of the second chain from your hook. Insert. You can yarn over, pull it through, and now yarn over and pull through both loops that are on your hook. And that's your first single crochet. Repeat this all along. Insert your hook into the spine, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Now we're going to turn over and we're going to start working into the first stitch, but we're going to start weaving our tail in right away. So this saves us the step of having to get a needle and having to weave it through the piece afterwards. So insert your hook in between or beneath the 2 V's or the V, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, keeping your tail nice and snug along the piece. Insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through again, and make another single crochet. I recommend doing this for at least 3 or 4 stitches. If it's a decent sized piece, you can work it all the way across, and eventually we'll snip it off. I'm going to trim off about 4 to 6 inches of the tail, and we're going to use this to make an invisible join with our next color. See you soon!